Good morning, students. Today's class, Principles of Management. And in Principles of Management, we shall deal with the various levels of management, skills of management, and importance of skills of management. And in the previous class, we have come across functions of management in detail, and we shall start with levels of management. There are various levels we come across in the organization, and these levels of organization or levels of management are classified as top level management, middle level management, and lower level management. And coming to the top level management, this is the highest level in the organizational hierarchy, which includes board of directors and chief executives. They are responsible for defining objectives, formulating plans, strategies, and policies. Coming to the second level of management, middle level management, and it is the second and most important level in the corporate ladder, as it creates a link between the top management and the lower management. It includes departmental and divisional heads and managers who are responsible for implementing and controlling plans and strategies which are formulated by top level management or executives. Coming to the third level of management, lower level of management or lower level management, and it can also be called as functional or operational level management. It includes first level managers, foremen, supervisors. As lower level management directly interacts with workers, it plays a crucial role in organization because it helps in reducing wastage and idle time of workers, improving the quality and quantity of the output of the organization. So, these are the three important levels of organization. And next, coming to the managerial skills. What do I mean by skills? Skills are nothing but knowledge or ability of the individuals. What do you mean by managerial skills? A manager needs skills to perform his activities in order to reach the objectives of the organization. So, as a manager in his position, he need to have certain skills, and for these skills we refer as managerial skills. The managerial skills in the organizations can be termed as the knowledge, ability of the individuals in a managerial position to fulfill some specific management activities efficiently and effectively. Skills of management. So, the various skills are required for the people who work at the different levels in the organization. For this, we call as skills of management. The managerial skills, according to Robert Kutch. Robert Kutch has specified certain skills or managerial skills. According to him, the skills are conceptual skills, human skills, and technical skills. Managerial skills. So, in managerial skills, we have already come across that knowledge, ability of the individuals when he stands in a managerial position in order to achieve the objectives of the organization effectively and efficiently, he needs certain skills, and these skills are classified as conceptual skills, human skills, technical skills by Robert Kutch. Coming to the conceptual skills. Conceptual skills present knowledge or ability of a manager for abstract thinking. For abstract thinking, that means he can easily see the whole through the analysis and diagnosis of different states in such a way that they predict the future of the business or department as a whole. So, conceptual skills are nothing but the knowledge or ability of a manager. So, the manager come across various situations in an organization. Analyzing the situations, he has to take the best decisions, keeping the future or predicting the future of the business or a department as a whole. And this knowledge and ability of the managers of and abstract thinking, we call them as conceptual skills. And these conceptual skills are more required at the top level management. So the top level management or at the top management personnel require these managerial skills as they take the decisions regarding the various situations, and these decisions depends upon their knowledge and skills and analysis part. So, these skills are more required, that is conceptual skills are more required at the top management. Coming to the next skills, human skills. Human skills are more required at the middle level management, or middle level managers requires human skills. Why do middle level managers require human skills? Human skills can also be interpreted as interpersonal management skills, which are present a manager's knowledge and ability to work with people. We know that middle level management is the link between the top management and first line management or low level management or lower management. Right, these people, middle level management people, need to be a link between the top management and at the bottom management. So, they need to deal with the people. People are nothing but the employees of the organization. In order to get the work done, and people need to be motivated, communicated properly. So, these middle level managers require the human skills. Alright. So, human skills are also most important skills of the organizations, which are mostly required by the middle level managers. Coming to the third level management, the third or bottom level or functional or operational management, these managers requires technical skills, or technical skills are more required at the bottom level or functional level management. Technical skills as part of management skills. As the name of these skills tells us, they give the managers knowledge and ability to use different techniques to achieve what they want to achieve. What they want to achieve in an organization. Technical skills are not related only for machines, products, tools or other equipment, but also they are skills that will be required to increase sales, design different types of products and services, market the products and services, etc. So, technical skills are more required at the operational level or bottom level of the organization. For more references, you can follow the following source. Importance of managerial skills. The importance of managerial skills or managerial skills are more important in an organization in order to motivate. So, motivation or encouraging the people to work in a organization. So, motivation is most important, and motivation is one of the most important managerial skill in order to motivate the personnel in the organization in order to get the work done. Second one, problem solving. So, problem solving is also one of the managerial skill which is required in the organization, or managerial skills are required in order to solve the problems in the organization. To maintain the professionalism in the organization, managerial skills are required. So, all the activities of the organization need to be communicated from top level to the bottom level of the organization, and communication can be two ways, from top to bottom, and it can also be from bottom to top. So, managerial skills are also required in order to communication in the organization. Technical skills are most required. So, technical skills, as we have studied, it is not only related to the machines, but these are the skills which are required in order to design the product, market the products and services, etc. Innovation. So, managerial skills also are important to innovate the things in the organization. So, these are the importance of managerial skills. So, in this class we have studied levels of management. In levels of management we have come across top level management, middle level management and lower level management. We have also come across managerial skills given by Robert Koch, and they are conceptual skills, human skills and technical skills. And we have also come across the importance of managerial skills in the organization. So, see you in the next class, students.